Let's talk about 5 simple passive income side hustle ideas that you can try this year, because who doesn't love making money in their sleep? So let's jump into it. All right, so the reason why I call these ideas simple is because I know we're all tired of these passive income side hustles that take forever to build up before you see any money at all. And so with these side hustles, you can pretty much expect results right away.
You serious?
With that said, number 1 on the list is sharing your internet bandwidth. Do you want to know literally the laziest way that you can make money with something that you already have, such as your Wi-Fi connection? With apps such as Ponzi and Honeygain, you can actually make money by sharing your unused internet bandwidth with different market research companies. Pretty much you can download apps like Ponzi and Honeygain and just let it run in the background on your phone as well as your laptop and make passive income every single month. Now, the side hustle is not going to make you rich. You can probably expect to make like maybe extra $10 every single month, maybe more. However, this is one of those side hustles that requires literally zero effort, no upfront investment, and something that will allow you to make a little bit of extra money every single month. I've actually created pretty detailed video reviews of each one of these apps and showed you exactly how much I was able to make with each of those platforms by sharing my internet bandwidth. So if you're interested, I'll include those videos down below. All right, number 2 on our list is renting out your parking space. We've probably all seen those people that go crazy over parking spots, and if you own a car and rely on your car, you probably know that finding a parking spot is always such a pain. I mean, I can definitely feel it right now as somebody who grew up in the city and never had to worry about parking, to now having to constantly think about parking every time I go literally anywhere. So if you're one of those lucky people who has an extra parking spot, whether it's in your garage or your apartment building, or honestly literally in your driveway, you can actually make pretty decent amount of money by renting out the parking spot. So you can use platforms such as Spot Hero or Just Park, as well as Neighbor.com to rent out that extra space. It can be a short-term rental, or it can also be a monthly rental that you can do. And depending on where you are, some of these parking spots can go for like $300 a month, if not more. And especially if you have like a super long driveway, you can make upward to $1,000 per month by renting out multiple parking spots. So that is another passive income idea. They can make you money right away and requires very little to no effort. Okay, so the next one on our list is actually my new favorite because I had no idea a service like this existed. So did you know that you can actually rent out your camera equipment? If you're one of those people who has some semi-advanced equipment such as cameras, lenses, tripods, nice ring lights, studio lights, and things like that, you can actually make money by renting it out to other people. You can use a website like ShareGrid to monetize something that you already have. So a platform like ShareGrid handles booking and payments. So all you have to do is just list your gear. And I know you're probably thinking like, is it safe? What if somebody just like steals my equipment and things like that? So the reason why it's nice to make money through platforms like ShareGrid, they actually cover up to $20,000 in lost equipment or stolen equipment. So if your gear is worth less than that, you are pretty much covered. If it's a little bit more than that, I would probably be a little bit more careful. So now in terms of the earning potential, you can make anywhere between $500 to sometimes up to $5,000 per month, depending on how much equipment you have and the quality of your equipment. So if you're looking for ways to make extra money or offset the cost of your expensive equipment, you should check out ShareGrid. All right, I know you're probably wondering, how in the world am I supposed to keep up with all of these side hustles and all of these business ideas and tasks that I'm supposed to do? I get it, guys. Now, something that has helped my ADHD brain tremendously is having the right project management tool, such as the sponsor of today's video, ClickUp. Now, if you're not familiar with ClickUp, ClickUp is an all-in-one project management tool that helps you streamline workflows, organize tasks, and boost overall productivity, which is perfect for managing multiple side hustles. ClickUp is a perfect place for you to organize projects with tasks, subtasks, and checklists. ClickUp can also help you with time management. I personally love the fact that you can set due dates so you never miss a client deadline and know how to prioritize your tasks. ClickUp is also a wonderful collaboration tool, which allows you to assign tasks, insert updates, comments, as well as store all the important documents all in one place. Lastly, as we're going into 2025, ClickUp can also be a great place for you to keep track of all of your goals, because what's the point of making New Year's resolutions if you forget them later and not actually tracking your progress? So if you're trying to get all of your ducks in a row and build multiple streams of income, make sure to go to clickup.com/ChristinaSideHustles to download ClickUp today. Thanks ClickUp for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get back to our side hustles. Number 4 on our list list is selling online courses. So I've sort of covered this one quite a few times on this channel. However, I just love this source of income because selling your knowledge on platforms like Udemy and Skillshare are an awesome way to monetize your knowledge and your content without having to wait until you have enough subscribers, so watch hours, or because getting monetized on platforms like YouTube can take a long time and not really make you that much money at all. And if you post your course on those online marketplaces, you don't have to worry about marketing or payment collection or anything like that, which makes this a really great passive source of income for beginners. Another great thing about this source of income is that nowadays you also have AI, which can help you to create a course so much faster than it took me back in the day. If you're interested and want to know how to create your course using AI, I actually recently filmed an entire video about it, and I'll include the link down below, so make sure to check it out. All right, and then last but not least is affiliate marketing blogs. So this one is perfect if you want to make money with your content, but you don't really want to show your face or don't want to spend hours and hours editing videos. So pretty much what you can do is you can create a blog that is focused on a specific niche, whether it's lifestyle, technology, fashion, or beauty, and things like that, which you can obviously monetize through things like ads and sponsorships, which might take quite some time, but the faster way to monetize your blog is through affiliate links. And yes, you can also utilize AI for this one. So in terms of the earning potential, you can make anywhere from like a few dollars up to sometimes 6 to 7 figures. There's some creators on YouTube that have shared that they've made 7 figures from their blogs. Obviously, all of that depends on the traffic and the amount of purchases made and the conversion and things like that. But I actually recently started monetizing my blog posts through affiliate marketing as well as ads, and it's been a really cool way to make additional income from something that is very low effort these days because of AI. So yeah guys, blogging is not dead. If you want to check it out, let me know in the comments down below and I'll make sure to make another dedicated video. So yeah, pretty much if you're like me and you love making money in your sleep, make sure to check out one of these side hustles. And also, if you like this video, I actually think you're gonna like this one as well, so make sure to check it out. And once again, make sure to like and subscribe for more content about side hustles and different ways that you can make money online. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!